Hi dear students, I hope you're doing well. Today it's lesson number 2 and we will be doing grammar in this lesson, and the topic for today is from Unit 7B, the passive. Now in this lesson you will be able to identify and use different forms of the passive for different tenses. Before we begin, let me introduce you to the difference between active voice and passive voice in English. So if in active voice you speak English, in passive voice English is spoken by you. So in active voice we mainly focus on the subject, but in passive voice we focus on the object. Let's look at some more examples and the formula, how we do it and how we use it in the following slides. And here you can see a man doing an action. So we, as I said before, focus on the action, not the person doing it. Here's a magic formula of all passive sentences. We use first subject, be, and past participle. Past participle is the verb insert form. Now, let's look at the formulas for each tense. Let's start from present simple. After I will give you the structure, we will be looking at the examples of each tense. So as you see, in present simple we use subject is, are, am plus past participle. In active, my teacher gives homework to us every day. And the passive form of the sentence will be homework is given to us every day. Past simple, subject plus was and were, past participle. Active, we stopped the bus. The passive will be the bus was stopped by us. We use were for the pronouns like you, they, we. Present continuous, subject plus is, are, am, being, and past participle. Here is an example. In active, for example, we say, we are sending some clothes for you. What will be the passive? Let's think. Okay, so the passive will be some clothes are being sent for you. Past continuous, subject was, were, being plus past participle. Here's an example. They were taking her to the hospital. What will be the passive? She was being taken to the hospital. They were taking her to the hospital. She was being taken to the hospital. If here we will be interested in the doer of the action, we would use by them. They were taking her to the hospital. She was being taken to the hospital by them. Present perfect, subject plus has or have been plus past participle. Active, someone has taken my scooter. The passive will be my scooter has been taken by someone. Past perfect, subject plus had been plus participle. Here is an example. Someone had stolen his car 3 years ago. His car had been stolen 3 years ago. If we're interested in doer, we would say by someone. Okay, now look at the future forms. Subject, will, or can, or other forms, be past participle. They will call you for the meeting. You will be called for the meeting by them. See? You will be called for the meeting by them. Now, students, all the information can be reviewed in Unit 7B, page 76 in your textbooks, or page 138 in the Grammar Builder 7 and 1. Now you will be required to do the homework in Grammar Builder 7 and 1 on page 138, exercises 1 and 3. See you in the video call, and if you have the questions, ask me with no hesitation. But before you ask, make sure you watch this video very carefully and review the material on your course book. Stay safe and stay home.